Hello, today we will guide you through how to trade in Fusion Markets. In this walkthrough, we'll move from your account area to the web trading platform, choose a symbol, and place a simple order. Follow along on your own screen and pause whenever you need. First, go to the Trading Accounts section. This is where you manage your accounts and access tools connected to them. Once you're there, look for the Downloads option and click it. The Downloads page gathers all platform choices in one place, so you can decide how you want to trade. Next, choose Web. Selecting Web opens Fusion Markets' browser-based platform, which is convenient if you prefer not to install software. Give the page a second to load. You should see the main workspace with a chart, a symbol list, and an order panel on the right. Now select a sample symbol or use the search bar if you need something specific. You can scroll the list to explore popular markets or type a name or ticker to jump straight to it. As a tip, make sure you pick the exact instrument you want, since many symbols have similar names across different asset classes. Click the symbol you want to trade. This loads its live chart and details, and it also prepares the order panel for that instrument. Take a quick glance at the spread and price movement so you're comfortable with the market you've chosen. On the right panel, click Buy or Sell. Choose Buy if you want to go long and benefit from rising prices, or choose Sell if you want to go short and benefit from falling prices. The order ticket will show the instrument and account at the top. Set your position size to match your plan, and, if available, you can add a stop loss and a take profit to manage risk automatically. Review any estimated costs, such as spread and required margin. Once you're done configuring the order, double-check everything. Confirm the direction, size, and any protective levels you added, and make sure the instrument is correct. Finally, click Place Order. The platform will submit your trade and display a confirmation. Your new position or pending order will appear in the lower panel, where you can monitor it in real time. That's it. You've gone from your trading accounts page to placing an order on the web platform. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want a refresher.